Unveiling Idioms, Cooking Up a Story. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the flavorful world of idiomatic expressions. Our focus is on a particularly intriguing phrase, cook up a story. If you're eager to spice up your English, you're in for a treat. Let's unravel the layers of this expression together. Idioms are phrases where the words together have a meaning that's different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. They add color and cultural richness to the language. Cook up a story is a perfect example of how English speakers combine words to create a vivid expression. Just like cooking, creating a story involves combining different elements. To cook up a story means to fabricate, concoct, or create a deceptive tale. It's not about preparing food, but about mixing facts, or often, falsehoods, to produce something new and untruthful. This phrase is usually used in informal settings. You might say someone cooked up a story if they created a false explanation or excuse. It's important to note that this idiom often implies a negative judgment, suggesting that the storyteller is being dishonest or manipulative. Let's see how this phrase is used in real life. 1. The employee cooked up a story about being sick just to get a day off. 2. The politician cooked up a story to avoid answering the difficult questions. These examples show that the phrase can apply in various contexts, always revolving around the creation of a false narrative. And there you have it. Cook Up a Story is a flavorful addition to your idiomatic recipe book. Remember, it's all about creating a tale that's more fictional than factual. We hope you enjoyed this linguistic feast, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the fascinating world of English expressions. Keep exploring, and happy learning!